Hey there, awesome teens! Welcome to my channel, Timmy's Tips and Tricks. It's your girl, Timi here, and today we're diving into a super important topic for all of you amazing students out there: study tips and academic advice. We get it, being a teenager can be pretty crazy, and nailing your studies and conquering those exams are crucial. So let's roll up our sleeves and figure out how to make studying not just effective, but also a bit more fun. Okay, teens, let's get real. Teenage life can feel like a whirlwind. You've got school, social life, maybe a part-time job, sports, music, or whatever makes your heart race with excitement. It's like trying to juggle flaming swords while riding a unicycle, challenging, but not impossible. So you might wonder, how do I manage it all and still excel in school? Well, that's where these study tips come in. We've got your back, and we're going to equip you with some incredible strategies to conquer your academic journey and still have time for all the fun stuff. The first secret weapon is a personalized study plan. It's like having your very own roadmap to success. Take a look at your weekly schedule and carve out dedicated study time. Make it a ritual. Find your most productive hours. Are you a morning or night owl? Then use that time for your trickiest subjects. This way you'll tackle your toughest challenges when you're at your best. We all know that procrastination is a sneaky beast, but here's a fantastic technique to kick it to the curb: the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes, fully commit to your study task, and then reward yourself with a 5-minute break. It turns your study session into a game, making it more fun and efficient. You wouldn't want to play your favorite video game on a laggy computer, right? Well, studying is kind of like that. Find your perfect study spot. It could be a cozy nook in your room, a local library, or a coffee shop. Make sure it's well lit, comfy, and free from distractions. Picture this. You're studying a topic, and you imagine explaining it to a friend. Visualization can make your learning experience more engaging and memorable. So, get creative and draw diagrams, mind maps, or even act out historical events. It's like starring in your own educational movie. Remember, your body is your study machine, and you need to fuel it right. Make sure you're eating nutritious meals and staying hydrated. And here's a fun twist. Try brain-boosting snacks like blueberries or nuts during your study breaks. It's like giving your mind a power-up. Multitasking might seem like a superhero skill, but in the world of studying, it's the villain. It can split your focus and lead to less effective learning. So focus on one subject at a time. If you're working on math, be all in on math. It's like putting on your superhero cape for that one subject. That's a wrap for this section, but don't go anywhere. We've got tons more tips and tricks to share in the upcoming sections. So stay tuned and keep rocking your amazing teenage life. Peace.